Hey everyone, welcome back. If Chime crashes the second you tap it, gets stuck on loading screen, or just refuses to launch at all, here's the fix from your iPhone settings and App Store, no login needed. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and close the Chime app completely from your recent apps. Now, press and hold the Chime icon on your home screen, tap Remove app, then tap Delete app and delete the app to fully uninstall it. Open your App Store, search Time Mobile Banking, and then tap Get to reinstall it completely fresh. Corrupted app data from a failed update is the most common reason Chime crashes before it even opens, and reinstalling clears all of that instantly. After reinstalling, if it still crashes, go to your Settings app, then tap General, then scroll down to VPN and Device Management, and make sure that no VPN is switched on. Chime blocks VPN connections as a fraud prevention measure and crashes instantly when one is detected. Also, in the settings itself, scroll up and then go to Software Update and install any available iOS update. So all you gotta do is delete the app, reinstall from App Store, turn off any VPN in settings, update iOS, the app will open, and that's it. Subscribe for more Chime fixes every day.